First of all, what do we mean by project management? Project management is a unique set of coordinated activities with a start and finish point delivered by an individual or organisation to meet specific objectives within a defined cost and time. Successful project management for projects large or small tends to follow the process outlined on screen. Take a moment to click on each of the 5 elements of successful project management. In this module, we're not looking just at construction project management, but at project management in its widest possible application. Project management covers a wide range of applications and can be used for developing projects in areas and indeed anything else which needs planning and managing within organisations. Projects can be of various shapes and sizes, from the small and straightforward to extremely large and highly complex. In organisations, project management can be concerned with anything, particularly introducing or changing things in any area or function. For example, when dealing with complex construction or large civil projects, right way down to the small bespoke building works. Even a domestic situation such as moving to a new house or planning a wedding. Project management techniques are not just for project managers. They are available for anyone to use. There are many structured project management methodologies. For this module, we will be aligned to the structure outlined by the Project Management Institute. Project management techniques and project planning tools are useful for any task in which different outcomes are possible and where risks of problems and failures exist. This drives the need for planning resources and organising activities to deliver.
In your world as a project management manager on site, your site team are now an installation team, not a building team. And their job becomes to manage the interfaces between the pieces of kit that come in from the factories. And you as the project manager need to be planning not in weeks and months like we do traditionally in the water sector, but you need to be taking a lesson from the manufacturing industry and thinking how factories do it when you're planning in seconds, minutes and hours. The big thing about off-site is a left shift in the design and build process. So if you're going to fabricate a large part of what you used to do on-site in bits and pieces and you're going to do that in a factory away from site, getting it right first time is really, really important. So we call it the left shift. And how that's different to what's been done traditionally is traditionally it would be designed and then the construction team would come in and then they would build it and then the commissioning team would come in and commission it and then the operations get it. The left shift means taking all of those key people from across the life cycle of the asset to the front and designing that in a virtual world using BIM as a platform for that so that you basically build the project from the bottom up, every aspect of it virtually. You can check all of your interface clashes, you can start planning all your logistics, and you can kind of work out all of the problems that might crop up. Obviously, you're going to have people that are working away from site, so you need to allow that. You need to build that in to your people's time. But what it really means on site is you're shortening the program all of the time. So if you're going to do that, it's not just about what you build in the factory, it's about all the other logistics and programming. So your civils need to be complete, concrete secured just in time for that wagon to come in with all of your steel work and your access stairway to be dropped into place. So you can use collaborative planning techniques. Again, we need to get all of the key people in the project life cycle in, understand what else is going on site, who needs to be involved, is there additional craneage required, and that'll be a live process going on all of the time.
Sponsor, a senior project manager. This person delivers project members, they deliver stakeholders. Anyone who has a role or being impacted by the project is one that will deliver the scope, ensuring that the constraints of time, cost and quality targets are balanced and managed. The aspects of time, cost and quality targets are linked and can impact on one another. For example, if the schedule is shortened, often the budget needs to be increased to add additional resources to complete the same amount of work in less time. If a budget increase is not possible, the scope or targeted quality may be reduced to deliver the project's result in less time within the same budget amount. changing the project requirements or objectives may create additional risks. The project team needs to be able to assess the situation, balance the demands, and maintain good communications with all involved.